Tired of staring at your device screen? Wondering what all those icons mean? You're in the right place. We're diving deep into the main screen of your DVR, XVR, or NVR. Let's start with the basics, the screen divisions, or what we call channels. Each division displays the live view from one camera. Our example has 4 channels, but depending on your model, you might have 8, 16, or more. Now, what happens when a camera isn't connected? You'll see a default text or image. But here's a quick tip. You can customize that text or upload a specific image. It's a neat trick we'll show you exactly how to do in an upcoming video on the XMeye playlist. Want to get a closer look at a specific area? It's simple. Just double-click the channel you want with the left mouse button and boom, instant full screen view. Once you're in full screen, notice how you can also zoom in to magnify any region. We won't detail how to do it right now, as models vary, but know that detailed look is always possible. See these channel names, like Camera 01 or Camera 02? You can change those to something more useful, like front door or garage. Personalizing these names makes your system much easier to manage. And yes, we have a separate, dedicated video coming soon on how to rename them. Look for the recording icon, which on this device is a little cassette tape, or sometimes it's just a small. If you see this icon, that channel is actively recording footage to your hard drive. No icon? No recording. It's your quick status check. Next to that, you might see a speaker icon. This is your gateway to audio. If your cameras have built-in mics, or you have external mics connected to the audio inputs, this button lets you listen in. We'll be doing a full setup and configuration tutorial on audio very soon. If you have a multi-technology device, you'll see a technology switch icon. This is for advanced users, allowing you to change the video format for a specific channel, like switching between TVI, CVI, or AHD. This is crucial for compatibility, and we'll cover it in an advanced settings tutorial. Let's move to the alert icons, your system's security brain. First, the motion detection icon. If you see this light up, it means the camera is actively detecting movement. Then there's the occlusion icon. This is a major security feature. It alerts you if someone is trying to cover the camera lens. Finally, the video loss icon. If this appears, your device isn't receiving video from that camera. It could be a simple cable disconnect, a power issue, or a faulty camera. Almost done. Down here, you have the crucial clock and calendar. This always tells you the current date, time, and day of the week, essential for accurate footage review. To unlock the full power of your device, you need the main menu. Just right-click anywhere on the screen and select Menu. This is where all the deep-level settings and configurations live. This is just the start. We are building the ultimate library of videos on these security systems. We'll be covering every setting, troubleshooting common defects, and giving expert tips on usage and maintenance. Don't miss out on the knowledge that will keep your security system running perfectly. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the videos coming soon to our XMeye playlist. See you in the next one. God bless you.